I don't know if y'all remember me telling you about the story about when I had the barred owl. When that man came that was trimming trees down the road and showed me this bird that he'd found and didn't know what to do with it. Didn't even know what kind of bird it was. Thought it was a hawk. I said, I believe that's an owl. So I took him, Meester Owl, and he started growing. Seemed like he was having a real hard time at first. Then he started flying all over my house. And it was time for him to go. For some reason, he loved sitting on that skull. I don't know why. But that's Meester Owl. I just come up across these a little while ago. Thought I'd share them with y'all. This is the famous barred owl. He says, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?"